Good afternoon, students. In the last video we done introduction of ebutic acid and double bond equivalence of ebutic acid and some structure determination of ebutic acid. In this video we are going to discuss ebutic acid part. Ebutic acid part nothing but retine structure determination and synthesis of retine. First let us see ebutic acid structure. Ebutic acid is a terpenoid. Terpenoid have 3 rings. So this is looks like a phenanthrene. Here one CH3, CH3 and COOH. Here CH3 group and here isopropyl group. This is a ebutic acid structure. Ebutic acid molecular formula C20H30O2. C20H30O2. Ebutic acid when undergoes selective dehydrogenation, ebutic acid undergoes selective dehydrogenation, nothing but reduction reaction result retine. Retine is takes place. That retine structure is looks like CH3 and here isopropyl group numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 methyl, 7 isopropyl. The skeleton is phenanthrene. 1 methyl, 7 isopropyl phenanthrene. So formation of retine we get ebutic acid have phenanthrene skeleton. So that is confirmed by formation of retine. So retine and ebutic acid structurally difference is only 2 carbon atoms. So the 2 carbons less in retine compared to ebutic acid. So the 2 carbon atoms in the form of one carbon atom is in the form of CH3 and another carbon atom is in the form of COOH. So that is only 2 carbon atoms difference in between retine and ebutic acid. So first we have to know what is the preparation method involved in retine. That is very useful to us by the knowing, by the studying, that is ebutic acid structure. So first let's see synthesis of retine. Now let's see synthesis of retine. Synthesis of retine. First reactant is naphthalene. When treated with isopropyl bromide. So reaction is carried out and elimination of HBr and the formation of isopropyl group substituted naphthalene. That isopropyl group is substituted in the place of hydrogen. When it is treated with succinic anhydride, succinic anhydride. So that is looks like succinic anhydride. Simply reaction is carried out like O minus C double bond O plus. That C double bond O plus is bind with the carbon atom, edge carbon atom. Result, reaction is carried out like this is the first ring and second ring have isopropyl group, and the first ring bind with this is a C double bond O carbon, and here C double bond O minus bind with hydrogen, simply OH part. When it is treated with Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis. We already know Grignard reagent treated with only carbonyl parts, carbonyl groups like in this structure, carbonyl group is in the form of C double bond O. Before treated to Grignard reagent, the structure is treated with ethanol. The structure is treated with ethanol. So followed by ETOH. Simply OH is converted into OET. Ester formation takes place. When it is treated with a Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide, C double bond O is converted into alcohol simply by the substitution of CH3. Then we get this is isopropyl, and this is looks one is OH and another one is CH3, and this is a C double bond O OET. In hydrolysis process, OET also converted into OH form. In hydrolysis process, OET also converted into OH. Finally, in the thermal reaction, elimination of 2 moles of water takes place. Elimination of 2 moles of water. 1 mole of water is eliminated here, and another mole of water is eliminated in the form of like H and OH part, and another mole is eliminated like. Result, cyclization of third ring. Cyclization of third ring takes place. This is isopropyl group, and here this is double bond O, double bond. The compound undergoes reduction in presence of zinc amalgam by HCl. This is a Clemmensen reducing agent. Result, C double bond O is converted into CH2, and finally CH2. Then this is a second ring, third ring with isopropyl part, and finally this is undergoes selective reduction process. No, it is not selective, and finally it is undergoes selective dehydrogenation. Result, the final product is rethene. It's have this is looks like a aromatic ring. The water is another mole of H2 is eliminated from here to these 2 carbon atoms. H2 is eliminated. Result, a new bond takes place in between 2 carbons. Result, bond, and second ring. This is a second ring, and this is a final ring. This is looks like, and this is CH3 is bind with here. Sorry. Finally, CH3 is looks like. This is a rethene. the ring, our convenience, we should note like this is also aromatic. Numbering, let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Retene. Retene nothing but 1 methyl, 7 isopropyl, phenanthrene. 7 isopropyl phenanthrene. This is a retene synthesis. Retene synthesis clearly indicated that the ebidic acid have phenanthrene ring and